I'm gonna do a rap about smoking weed, alright? Alright. Yo, it's dedicated to all the weed smokers in the world. I'm with one of them right now. My boy Anthony. Yo, so let's smoke that hash and that weed. It is okay. Travis thinks he's all cool, but really he is gay. But that is not the fact. I'm rapping about the hash. I'm rapping about how I bet money and I pack the cash. Cause it's like when I wake up in the morning, I got in my hand. I got the bitches call me and they say I'm the man. I was like, I know baby, you can suck on my dick. It's very, very long. It's a big, big, big stick. But it's okay cause you can lick it and you pleasure it anytime that you need. You wanna roll with me and I'll roll a joint for you with weed. But it's okay cause I understand that I smoke all that good kush. All you wanna do is like, oh baby, please do not push. I'm like, okay, I will not push, but I fuck you in your cunt. Mess with me, you will get high and you will get fucked up. With my boy Anthony, he rolls my eyes and serves me weed. All I have to do is give him cash. He says here it's for me. I was like, damn, okay, that's cool. You are a true friend. You want to mess with me? Let's go smoke weed. We can do it over again. And he's like, all right, you want weed? I got it. You want to smoke weed? Then I got the plant and I'm riding. I'm like, okay, let's smoke the weed and let's smoke the kush and let's smoke the hash. Want to mess with me? I roll a bowl right on the grass and I roll a joint, smoke a bone. Smoke a bowl, it's a gone. That's the way I like it. That's the way I roll. That's the way I do. The highness always takes his toll. I'm at the weed pole, at the totem booth. Wanna fuck with me? All your weed will always lose. Cause I will take it, snatch it like a smooth criminal. You wanna mess with me? Smoking on